Here are the household tips that cleaning companies won't tell you. 1. Add dish soap to rice water and spray it on the glass. It will stay dust-free for a month. 2. Pour Sprite into a bowl and add a centimeter of toothpaste. Mix well and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on kitchen grease and wipe lightly with a cloth. It instantly becomes clean and renewed. 3. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and white wine. Finally, add water for effective degreasing. A stainless steel sink can be cleaned with just one wash. 4. Mixing cola with detergent can eliminate black and moldy stains. 5. Add white wine and baking soda to a bowl with shower gel. Mix with clear water and stir evenly. Dip a towel into the solution and wipe the furniture, it will look amazing. 6. Mixing toothpaste with white wine brightens and removes rust. 7. Mix white vinegar with white wine. Dip a cloth in it and wipe the refrigerator for a clear stain removing effect. 8. Mix dish soap with beer and stir evenly. Soak your tea-stained cups in the water for 5 minutes, then wash. The cups will be clean and shiny as new. Follow me for more handy tips.